Google for the win on finding out where Cicada's mask is from.
Google for the win. So you think Cicada is hiding out here, just lurking behind those doors?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I do, because my search also told me that Trek Chemicals uses dimethyl sulfates in most of their products. So guess what? I'm gonna take down Cicada.
Oh, well, we shall see, Giraffe.
Can I help you?
Hi, how are you? I'm,
Elongated man, I know.
Sherlock was, yes, master detective. You know, we'll sign autographs later. We have some business?
just want to know if we can ask you some questions, please.
About? What about our masks?
Do any of your employees wear them?
Call me. Yeah. Every worker, every plant wears one.
How many plants?
3 in Central City and Keystone. 14 in the Midwest alone.
So, probably thousands.
And we are the only facility that uses them.
Thank you for your time.
Hey, I love that pear meme going around the last few weeks. Classic.
Classic. I have a suggestion for you. Maybe the next time you do a Google search, advance to page 2.
So here's